Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general mid-monthly reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 30th of April. Not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self love journey but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by taking my course 30 days self love challenge. Super easy, and it's definitely going to make you feel like a new person and help you to raise your vibrations permanently. You'll come back home. Let's start, Cancer. And I can't tell you the benefits of self love, but someday I'm going to definitely make a video on that. Let's start. Okay, Cancer, the overall energy for Cancer people for the rest of the month of April 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the World card. There will be a completion of a cycle where there is some kind of unfinished business, and you will be very focused on finishing the unfinished business or businesses. Maybe there are multiple loose ends in your life that you need to put an end to so that you can move to the next chapter or next chapters. But you will be focused on this energy of putting in the effort and energy to end multiple cycles in your life. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening, honey. Five of Cups. Okay, you were very disappointed emotionally. You were very upset. It was like it was not like you didn't had people, or you didn't had like people who loves you or wants you or something like that. It was like you were super focused on things that were not there for you. Okay. Now let's see in the current situation we have the Six of Wands. Very focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your success and victory. Right now you are the center of attention of your own world, and or at least you are trying to. Hmm? Very good. By the end of this month, we have the Chariot. Nothing or no one is going to stop you. This determination kind of energy of no one can stop me, right? Let me clarify these cards. Let's see what's happening here. Hane. Let's clarify the Five of Cups in the recent past. We had the Four of Wands, the Death card, and the King of Pentacles. Some kind of commitment or marriage or some kind of stable thing, stable dynamic that you were hoping to work out for the rest of your life ended out of the blue. And you handled it really well, where you were feeling like, okay, something ended, it's okay, life, well, shit happens, life goes on. You handle it oh my god, I am not able to say handled. So you handled it really well, but there was a sense of disappointment, there was a sense of being upset about it, and but you were carrying yourself really beautifully. But it's like, okay, in front of you I was all okay and I am all happy, but inside of me I'm just crying, continuously crying, but trying to be like strong enough to not to let other people know that I'm suffering or going through something. That was what was that Oh my god, what's happening? I'm not able to say anything. That was what was happening with you, guys, in the recent past. Okay, something ended, it gave you a lot of pain, but you were like pretending to be okay, okay, in front of the people who matters to you actually. Currently we have the Six of Wands. You're trying to focus on your growth, success and victory, no matter what kind of energy. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Three of Pentacles. You are transmuting this pain into something really beautiful. It's like for some of you, you are making a business out of this. It's stupid to say that, but maybe you go through the pain. Now you're a healer, or you're trying to become a healer. You're a healer, or you're starting some kind of spiritual thing or spiritual business, or you are in this energy of no matter what, I'm going to help people as much as I can. I'm going to make a community. I'm going to make a group. I'm going to make something beautiful so that I can help people to help themselves to be successful in their life, or to come out of those kind of painful energies that they feel stuck on, right? For some of you, for others of you, you are very focused on this energy of transmuting this pain into something really meaningful, that's going to help you to create something very beautiful in the coming future, especially money wise, job or career wise. Perfect. So transmuting this pain into success. Very good. By the end of this month, we have the Chariot. Unstoppable. You are unstoppable. You're like, I'm not going to stop for anything or anyone, no matter what. God. Good. Let's clarify the Chariot here, Cancer, for you people. We have the Strength card, the Queen of Pentacles, the Justice. Okay. So, you're not going to pretend to be okay. Hmm? Although you are going to do just the necessary, you are going to take all the necessary steps in order to heal yourself properly. At the same time, you are not going to be pretending to be okay, because you are going to be okay naturally. You are going to be okay, then you are going to be like, okay, now it's right. Now my energies are aligned for my goal. Now I am aligned with my goals. Now I can do whatever I want to. Because there will be no more pretending. There will be real action. There will be real healing. There will be real energy of, okay, let's do it. So you are going to be unstoppable in the sense that whatever your goals are right now at this present moment, right now you are in pain and working on the goals because you have a certain kind of goal or goals in your head that you're working on. But it's painful to go through this. By the end of this month, there will be no more pain. You will be holding on to the lessons and the blessings. You will be very stable in your energies, and you will be straight away heading towards this energy of let's do it. Okay, so unstoppable energy. I don't know if this is a project or this is a connection or this is a idea that you're working on. It can be anything, but this is so beautifully aligned with you right now that nothing or no one is going to stop you. Very good. So proud of you, Cancer. Yes, for you, the guidance of just take care of people around you who really matters to you, your family, or people who are like family to you. Okay, definitely you are definitely going to have this power and this energy of moving forward. But people who, like those people who loves you, who really wants to be with you, who really cares for you, don't forget about them. Keep them with you as much as possible. Okay, don't isolate yourself too much from those people, those situations, that when you need them, they will not be there for you. That's the real deal, that you have to take people who really matters to you, or people who really loves you, genuinely wants to be with you, to be with you. Oh my god, because you need them. At the end of the day, love matters. Doesn't matter whose love, lover or family or people or friends or community, doesn't matter. Universal love, unconditional love. But there are people around you, situations around you, who really 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 wants to be with you. Just don't forget about them and keep on going towards your goal. Keep on moving towards your goal. Fantastically beautiful reading today. So happy for you. Gemini also got a very good ending, and you too. So happy for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.